I think the idea of linking prior knowledge to post-secondary credit, we needed a caveat for that, and we needed something that was standardized. I think SACA has filled that goal immensely. They have done a tremendous job of creating designated skill certificates, skill sets that we can then obtain on a competency base. So when kids can show they are competent, they can pass the test, they can do the things they need to do, they get direct credit. That's huge. Mike Bigley, Superintendent of Schools for the Whitehall School District. We're here at the Whitehall Regional Emerging Technology Lab in Whitehall, Wisconsin. I think the Emerging Technologies Lab is an opportunity for kids to really explore what they can do with technology. We have world-class equipment all in one location and instructors that are free and willing to let kids learn. So I think it's really an exposure opportunity to start solving some real problems with some high-level equipment in an environment that encourages them to be innovative.
So we have SACA in our programs, mostly used as a summative assessment for our Industry 4.0 courses, and that was kind of how it's been done the previous years, but now with the new automation leadership degree with UW Stout, we have been leaning more into the micro-credentials, so where students are focusing on a specific topic like electrical control systems or robot systems, where it's really honing in on certain skills, and then they're taking the assessment after that. With the SACA credentialing that we do here at the Whitehall Regional Emerging Technology Lab, students are able to get up to 60 credits towards the automation leadership degree at UW Stout. So we have all the equipment here necessary for students to take those written tests, and then also practice with the hands-on portion. So they can do that, as freshmen up to seniors, and they can keep rolling through as many certifications as necessary, and then they're already going to, or have half of a degree if it's 120 credits, which most degrees are. They already have half of it done before they even leave here.
A good example, we have a former student who jumped into this scenario. He spent 2 years in an undergrad program, got his gen eds, he's jumping in now, he's working full-time on top of being able to do the SACA certifications. Through this automation leadership degree, he'll come out highly employable with an automation leadership degree and 2 years of experience in the field. That's significant.
My name is Riley Herman. I'm a junior at Whitehall High School. SACA certification will allow me to gain college credits through here for free, and by working on and completing the tests or the assignments, I can gain the credits and save money, giving me a head start on all the other people,
We're going to have to better prepare kids to go directly to the workforce, but in a continuous improvement model, being able to bring with them all of the training that they have received literally from the time they've been 14 or 15, to be able to walk into an employer and say, here are all the things I can do. SACA is a great backbone for that, especially in the areas that it targets. But I think having that standardized approach that most folks organized around to be able to understand, now we just need all employers to embrace this mechanism, and then we can really sell it to kids.